Case study: Food safety compliance for a new Indian restaurant in Whiterock. My name is Felicia Liu and we help numerous restaurants, cafe and food trucks to start their food business. We build food safety and sanitation plan that comply with health inspection requirements. The situation: an Indian restaurant in Whiterock was preparing to open with an extensive menu that included rice, biryani, curry, samosas, salads, fish and chips, and seafood dishes. The owner, previously a real estate professional with limited experience in food safety, used a food safety plan inherited from the restaurant's former owner. This outdated plan did not cover the new menu items and lacked essential food safety controls. As a result, the health inspectors rejected the plan, delaying the restaurant's opening. Food safety challenges. The primary challenges faced by the restaurant were: outdated food safety plan. The plan used by the restaurant was incomplete and did not address the variety of food items on the new menu. Lack of expertise. The owner had limited knowledge of food safety regulations, and the chef, while experienced in cooking, lacked training in developing comprehensive food safety plans. Compliance rejection. The health inspectors rejected their original food safety plan due to unclear controls and insufficient details on sanitation procedures. The solution: to resolve these issues, the restaurant owner sought assistance from Felicia, a food safety consultant. Felicia's approach to addressing the restaurant's needs was as follows. Revising the food safety plan. Felicia created a new food safety and sanitation plan from scratch, incorporating the full menu and addressing each critical control point. Tailored safety procedures. She established detailed safety and sanitation protocols specific to the restaurant's equipment and food preparation processes. Rapid turnaround. Felicia completed the revised food safety plan in just 5 business days, allowing the restaurant to resubmit for approval quickly. The result: with the new plan in place, the restaurant passed its next health inspection with ease. Key outcomes included: approval without changes. The updated food safety and sanitation plan was approved without any additional modifications, meeting all regulatory requirements. Increased compliance. The new plan covered all critical areas, ensuring a high level of food safety and reducing the risk of foodborne illnesses. Business opening. The restaurant opened in Whiterock, meeting its scheduled launch date, which positively impacted its revenue projections. Contact us at 1236-513-2488 and get your food safety plan completed in as little as 3 business days. We'll even guide you on how to work with your health inspectors to get your facility approval within your desired timeline. Let us help you be ready for your restaurant inspection.